HP's multi-jet fusion technology enables the world to realize the full potential of 3D printing in fully functional parts. HP transforming agents could control texture, friction, strength, elasticity, electrical properties, thermal properties, and more. Imagine a single part with stiffness optimized in some areas, elasticity in others, or wear resistance and friction customized where needed. Or imagine printing a complete electromechanical module in a single 3D build without requiring further assembly. HP's full system solutions could allow inventors to design and build assemblies that have form and function surpassing what can be imagined and manufactured today. The list of future possibilities seems endless.